And together we shut it down, down, down. We shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around.
Alright, what's up guys? You know, it's time for a prank. Today, I'm gonna be putting some flour in her blow dryer. She said she's gonna be straightening her hair today. Right now, she's in there taking a shower, so I'm about to get it ready. Let's get it. Team Jarvis, rise up. Okay, I got it in there. I'm about to test it real quick. Alright. I just did put the flour in the blow dryer. Now, we just wait until she does her hair when she gets out the shower. I'll be checking back in. There's Chris. But yeah, I'll be checking back in. Yeah, we just in here chilling. What you doing?
My hair.
What the?
Oh, okay, that's copyrighted.
You don't know play the music? Yep. We got Chris over here and Ari in the cut.
What's up?
Oh my god. Yeah, but we gonna get back at y'all once Kiera finishes her hair. How long you think it's gonna take you?
3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Babe.
Oh, why would you turn it on?
I tried to turn it for her.
Dang.
Babe. If that got in my hair, why
Hey.
you play so much?
Oh, it's got in my eye.
Play too much. You want? We just. Is that funny?
Alright.
Alright. Come wash the sheets. If that got in my hair, I wouldn't be laughing because I would have to take another shower. It's all that. Oh my god.
Alright, so it didn't hit her in the face, but it came
I don't know if I even got it on camera.
Alright, so it made a big mess and she's gonna have to clean up.
Who?
Go ahead and clean that up. Go ahead and clean that up. Clean that up.
Put more.
Yeah, you wasted some.
Oh, it did?
Yeah. Alright. Pretty sure y'all didn't like this video because somebody wanted to waste flour and not put it in their face.
Not my fault you can't prank.
Oh, let's not get on people that can't
Not my fault
prank.
you can't prank.
I got more dubs than you. Oh yeah, you quiet now, huh?
I haven't pranked you recently.
Yes, you did, like last week. If you still on Team Jarvis, which I know you are, go ahead and comment below. I know you're not on her team. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
This is all over the bed.
And don't forget to subscribe to our vlog channel. We out.
Oh my god, it's still coming out. Come on.
Alright. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our vlog channel. I don't know. Y'all comment if you think it was a fail or not.
It was. Did it get in my hair?
A little bit.
Where? Get it.
Alright, this is the end of this video. We out.
Here.